What's up YouTube, my name is Javi and this channel is DIY Music and Videos. In today's video I'm going to show you my latest DIY project, which is really easy and you need to do it because it's awesome. It's a Lazy Jane or a video turntable and you only need one old microwave. I got mine from the trash container. It was a rainy day and I thought, well, this microwave could have a motor still working, so I decided to bring it to home and upcycle as much as I could, and I still have many parts, and this was like 6 months ago, so I didn't have time to try it. Anyway, I will give you some examples in this video so you can see how it works, and it works really fine, so I'm quite happy. I'm going to show you how I did it. So as you can see, it works perfect. It makes a little bit of noise if I get closer. Yeah, but that doesn't matter at all because I'm not going to use the sound of it, so it's just for the B-roll and so on. So let me show you. It's really sloppy because I didn't have time to build an enclosure for it, wooden stuff and so on, but I will do it probably someday. Here's the old plate of the microwave, which it has this groove so that this triangle with the plastic wheels will make it spin. As you can see, it has this shaft and this triangle got this hole. This is a synchronous motor SM023 made by Siganda Micro Motor Factory. These cables were inside of the microwave also, that they have this connector, I don't know how to call it, like a metal plate. I only spent $1 in this AC plug. I'm sure that I have more of this laying around somewhere in this house, but as I wasn't sure, I bought it. So as you can see, it's a really easy, really cheap DIY project that you really need to do it because your B-roll is going to be much better. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video or 2 thumbs down if you don't. Remember to subscribe to my channel to stay tuned to my latest video. See you later.